Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix common Instagram glitches. Whether it's freezing, posts not loading, or other bugs, these simple steps should help you resolve the issue quickly. If Instagram is glitching, the first thing to do is first close the app. On Android or iPhone, swipe up or go to the recent apps section and swipe Instagram away. After that, reopen Instagram. If force closing doesn't work, Android users can clear the app cache by going to their phone settings, tap in apps, apps again, finding Instagram, storage, and choosing clear cache. iPhone users can uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. The next step is to check your internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause glitches. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or move to a location with a stronger signal. Next, update the app. It's important to keep your Instagram app up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram. And see if an update is available. Install the update if needed. And if you are using any third-party apps or extensions that interact with Instagram, they could be causing the glitch. Disable or uninstall them and check if the issue is resolved. Finally, if the glitch persists, it might be a bug in the app. You can report the issue to Instagram by going to your profile, settings, tap in help or help center, then select and report a problem. Describe the glitch and submit your report. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most glitches on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.